Every year, flagships get thinner, rounder, slipperier. 2026 was supposed to be no different. Apple, Samsung, to billion-dollar companies. One design language, the soap bar. Then Sony walked in and said no. The Xperia 1VIII is angular, industrial, and built like a tool, not a jewel. That boxy chassis isn't an accident. It's engineered grip for creators who shoot one-handed. A real, two-stage physical shutter button. And 2026, Sony kept it, and we're grateful. And the headphone jack, still here, still alive, still doing its job. That thick frame houses a vapor cooling chamber 40% larger than last year's model. When Samsung went thin, they sacrificed thermals. Sony went wide and kept performance stable. The matte titanium back is aggressively anti-smudge. This is a phone that stays clean on set. For videographers and photographers, grip matters more than gloss. Sony understands that. High friction finish means it won't slide off your desk, your car hood, or your monitor top. The camera module is flat, flush, and laser engraved with Zeiss T star coating. No wobble, no bump. Despite the industrial look, it's only 8.3 millimeters at its thickest. It just doesn't hide it. Even the packaging commits to the aesthetic. No chrome logos, no theatrics. Just the tool. The 6.5-inch 4K is tuned for color-accurate monitoring. It's a portable reference display. Physical controls mean less menu diving, more shooting. That's the philosophy. Not everyone loves it. It's divisive by design. That's the point. This phone was built for one user, the creator who treats their gear like a craft, not a status symbol. No loud branding. No flashy logos. It lets the design speak for itself. Every design choice, boxy frame, flat back, wide chassis serves the internals. Form follows function. Sony still employs designers who use their own phones in the field. That discipline shows. In a world of smooth, identical slabs, this is the flag Sony planted. Bold, functional, and compromising. Drop your answer below and subscribe because we're just getting started on 2026 flagships.